At 7 o'clock the alarm goes ring, a very rude and noisy thing. Princess Mimi peeks one eye, too early she lets out a sigh. Wrapped in blankets warm and tight, she hides away from morning light. 5 more minutes, she declares, royal drama in her stares. The alarm rings again, how bold! Such disrespect cannot be told. With one soft paw and sleepy glare, she smacks the clock without a care. Silence falls, the battle's won, but sadly now her day's begun.
Down the stairs she slowly walks, half awake with sleepy thoughts. Her fluffy tail sways left to right, still not fully feeling bright. Into the kitchen, brave and proud, no royal chefs are here allowed. She cracks an egg with careful paw, though last time caused a minor flaw. Sizzle, flip, oh what a sight! Breakfast cooking just right. Pancakes stacked in towers high. Princess Mimi beams with pride. She sits upon her dining chair, napkin placed with royal flair. Nibble here